Mihang'o ya uheani wa njanjo ya kuororohia moruru ma murimu wa COVID-19 guku bururi-ini no iratwarithio na mbere mathibitari-ini matiganite ona gutuika kuri na maabithaa urigitani matakoretwo makiigiririka mihang'o-ini ino. Minista wa ugima wa mwiri Mutahi Kagwe augite kuri na maabithaa urigitani makoretwo magikuua njanjo kuma ceceni iria ciitukitio ni thirikari na guthie gucithecanira kundu kungi, nacio imwe cia ceceni cia uheani wa njanjo ikoretwo ikirihia muingi gukorwo makimatheca njanjo.
There are those who are carrying out health camps, they are calling health camps, with stolen vaccines. There is no way an individual around the country of whatever stature will have vaccines of their own unless they are stolen vaccines. We want to make it very clear. Vaccines are not for sale in Kenya.
Mutahi augite mitugo ino ya gucungiriria Kenya gukua amu njanjo ici iraigwo uhehu-ini na itiagirirwo ni guthamio itabashirirwo niguo ikorwo na wagiriru uria ubatie.
We give vaccines to that facility. They are specifically for use in that facility. You cannot take vaccines from one part of the country, take them to Gatanga and start carrying out vaccination processes there. Nobody knows what vaccines they are using. Nobody knows whether they are actual vaccines or whether it could be anything else that they are vaccinating with. It's a criminal offense.
Riu kiama kia urigitani KMPDC nigiathitwo gukanja marua mathibitari na maabithaa urigitani aria matararumirira mawatho maria maheanitwo ni Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri guoka ni mihang'o ya uthecani wa njanjo.
And the council should also be carrying out investigations, continuous investigations as to the behavior of those in the medical fraternity to ensure that they are not endangering the lives of Kenyans.
Akenya ni moretio kwiyumiria gukorwo makiamukira njanjo ya COVID-19 guko magikirio ritana ria kwaga gucagura ni njanjo iriku mundu arenda makiurio kwiyumiria kwamukira njanjo riria kwinao.
Really the most important choice is either to get vaccinated or not. If you decide not to get vaccinated, the time to be sorry will come.
Ukinyaniria na riu wa Kenya makiria ma milioni 2 nio mathecetwo njanjo guku andu 800,000 makiamukira njanjo ciiri. Umuthi andu 346 nio monekanite na murimu wa COVID-19 na gukinyaniria ithaburi arwaru aria andu 235 298 ikiro kia ugwatania ikirugamira gicunje gia 9.7 harĩ igana, andu 1,400 makihona, namba ya andu aria othe mahonete aria andu 222 357 kwa andu 10 magikua, namba ya andu aria othe makwite ikirugamira andu 4,720. Giribotera Kameme TV, retora koni wa Wanjiru wa Foro.